Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nee the Hustler. Please do consider subscribing to my channel because I'd love to have you here. So I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video, but I just wanted to kind of like have a talk with you guys. You know how your body goes through changes when you are pregnant. Well, your body goes through changes after you've had a baby as well. So lately I've been feeling very insecure. I've been feeling really sad. No, don't get me wrong, I'm so happy to be a mom. I am, whoa, this what do they call it, this moment in my life is called the silver lining. As a human being, I don't know, guys. I just want to be real on my channel. I just want to keep it 100%. So that's the reason why one day I'll show up here looking homeless and one day I'll show up looking wild, because I feel like it's called YouTube for a reason. So I'm not here to try to be like whoever or the next person. I just want to be myself. And also I know that putting yourself out there brings so much critics, it brings so much positivity, it brings negative as well. So people are going to say whatever they want to say, and yeah, man, I just felt like I had to get that out of my chest. So yeah, like I said, giving birth changes a person in so many ways, guys. I feel like I'm just not me, and I'm working on myself to be the person that I want to be. I don't know if that actually makes sense. I feel like so much has changed in my body. Like right now, I'm currently dealing with hearing. Like I can't hear properly. I've mentioned this, and I'm told it's actually normal. I don't know how normal that is. And I don't even know how long it's going to take. Even my tasting is, it's just so different, guys. When I'm normally or before I gave birth, right, I used to have 3 teaspoons with my coffee, and now I can't have that. I have like a teaspoon, or sometimes it's like a teaspoon and then a half a teaspoon with my coffee or with my tea. It's really strange. I'm so insecure these days about my body because giving birth, your body actually changes. I feel like my stomach is so empty at times. Like, wow, guys. And then the stretch marks. The stretch marks are depressing me. I feel like I'm sometimes depressed because I look at myself and I think to myself, oh my gosh, how long are the stretch marks going to be here? It's such a journey. And I just want to embrace it. I just want to share it because I feel like there's a next person, there's a next woman who's probably going through the same thing that I'm going through. If you're a mom, we went through the stages that I'm going through, especially with the stretch marks, please do comment down below and let me know what I can use to get rid of the stretch marks, because they make me so uncomfortable, just so insecure. I'm really insecure with my body. And then there's this mental health that I need to work on, because I constantly ask myself if I'm doing the right thing with my son. So every time I do something, I want to do it 100%, 110%. And then when I feel like I'm not doing it 110%, I beat myself up, like, oh no, I could have done better, I shouldn't have done it like that, and stuff like that. So this is like a learning process for me, and it's just so difficult because sometimes it's just a lot, guys. It is just a lot. Like, I promise you, I am so insecure, guys. I am so insecure. Like, I don't know what to do. If you know any product that works with the stretch marks, please let me know so that I can also use it. And I'm breastfeeding. I am breastfeeding, so I'm laughing because it's not going according to the way I wanted it to go. So I wanted to breastfeed my son until he's like 2 years old. I don't know if I'm gonna stick to that, because sometimes you dress up so nice and then the milk is just dripping, guys. It's just drip. And I've just lost so much weight, guys. I lost so much weight. I drastically lost weight. So when I was pregnant, I was afraid that I was gaining weight and my nose was just big. And then now that I have given birth, I've lost so much weight. I'm actually very, very sad today because I tried on one of my favorite dresses and it looked horrible because I lost so much weight. So basically, I'm just going through the most right now, and I know I don't look sad, right? I don't look sad. I actually look okay. That's the thing about people that go through the most in life. They are the happiest people, and they can always look happy, but they basically going through the most. So I just felt like, you know what, I'm gonna talk about this because they might be the next person that's going through the things that I'm currently going through right now, and they might feel like they can't talk about it because people get judged for talking about what they're going through, and we are constantly afraid to talk about what we're going through because we are being judged. People are going to judge you. They're going to say, why is she doing that? Why is she even talking about it? She doesn't look like she's going through such problems and whatever. So today I was like, you know what, I'm going to talk about it. I just need to put it out there. People are going through the most. Like, I'm going through the most right now. Like, I am so going through the most right now. I just want to be the best mom for my son, and I just want to be myself. I just want to be the best, the best version of me, So yeah, I was really, really sad today, and I was like, oh my gosh, this dress doesn't fit. It literally looks like it's hanging from somewhere. My butt is saggy. My butt is saggy, and my boobs are like, this one is big and the other one is small. Sometimes it just doesn't, oh my gosh, it just doesn't look right. So yeah, this is basically me ranting, to you guys. But other than that, I'm okay, guys. I'm really okay. These are just some things that I'm going through, and I just wanted to talk about it because I feel like when you talk about something that you're going through, well, for me, when I talk about things that I go through, I feel so much better afterwards. So I just want to look back one day and say to myself, you know what? This is actually that day where I took that dress and I wore it, and I felt like it just didn't look right, and I was sad. I'm really sad today. It's actually quite amazing how how strong a person is, how strong your body is. You carry this human, especially this is actually for women. You carry this human being, and then after that, people just expect you to look normal, to look the way that you were looking like before, and it doesn't work like that. So yeah, guys, basically this is just me coming here venting because I'm sad. I'm very sad today. I'm probably gonna buy myself something nice, just to make myself feel better, because women go through the most. They go through so much, and they don't talk about it, because when you talk about it, it's like you're looking for attention or you can't handle your business. And I'm just here to say, it's okay to go through certain things because you grow from them. You become a better person, and sometimes you need to talk about these things that you go through because you might be helping the next person. This is probably a different side of me that you didn't know, and I'm okay with that. People are going to criticize, people are going to say positive things, people are going to do whatever they got to do, but at the end of the day, I just feel like you just need to be yourself at all times. Be you. And that's what I want to have on my channel. That's what I want to be on my channel, rather. Be myself at all times. Then there's my hair falling out. My hair is falling out, guys. So I have an afro, or I had an afro before I was pregnant, but my hair is normally the soft type. It's an afro, but it's soft, so when I fell pregnant, my hair started growing and it was just rich, and I had this cute afro, and then now after giving birth, my hair is falling out, like literally there's no hairline on the side, and it's been stressing me because I wanted to keep my hair. This is the hair that I've always wanted. It's hard, it's rich, it's long, it's growing. And then now, it was growing when I was pregnant, and then now it is growing, but it's falling out. it's falling out. Every time I wash it or every time I comb it, it's on the floor, it's everywhere, you know. So it just makes me so sad, guys. It gets to me. I remember asking my followers on my Instagram if I should cut my hair. You know, I explained why. A lot of women actually said I should cut it, and then they also explained how it really works, and it's normal. You know, after pregnancy, for your hair to fall out. So this is actually a learning curve for me. So I'm learning a lot of things. So I know there's probably someone who's going through the same thing. I'm here to tell you it is normal if your hair is falling out. So I've decided, you know what, from my votes from my Instagram, you know, they said I should cut my hair. That's definitely what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to cut this hair. I love it. I love how it came out. I love this hair, and I love that it was growing, and then now it's like hairline is gone, guys. There's nothing here. There's also nothing here, you know. So it needs to go. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. It's at Naomi_Yomi, and also kindly follow my business. It's at Yomi's Closet. My other business is on hold because, wow, story for another day. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to come here and have a little chit chat with you guys and just tell you what's up. Just speak about what you go through, guys. You know, speak about it. I feel so much better, you know, after talking what I'm going through. So guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, you know, positive vibes, negative vibes as well, it's fine, because the moment you put yourself out there on social media or on YouTube, you're actually inviting everything. You're inviting the critics, you're inviting positivity, you're inviting the negativity, everything basically. So yeah, this is such a random video, and I just wanted to vent. I just wanted to talk about this, and I'm gonna be okay. You know, there's no situation that comes my way that I can't handle. You know, I look happy, but I'm very sad today. Kindly follow me on my Instagram. Yeah, I'd love to have you there as well. Thank you so much for watching.